Hello, everyone. How's it going? Welcome back to another video. I just thought I'd give you some weather updates that are going on around the country, or at least in the central part of the country. So I thought I'd start off with this is what the model is saying. The GFS model is going to be happening tomorrow afternoon, evening time frame. As you can see, there's a cold front that's over here, and it's going to push through this way, southeast. And then for the also, I wanted to show you the dew points. Um, this is what it's saying about the same time. As you can see, there's all kinds of dew points here that are in the 50s and 60s. We got a 59 reading in Omaha, 61 reading in Des Moines, 63 down in probably Columbia area. And this is down in Kansas City. As you can see, Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, places like that. All coming up from the Gulf of America. And then the Storm Prediction Center, this is what's going on for tonight into early uh, Thursday morning. So this is a marginal risk we have going on for the southeast part of Nebraska, a little bit of southwest Iowa, northwest Missouri, a lot of Kansas, mostly east and central Kansas, a little bit of Oklahoma, Texas Panhandle. So there is there. It's not zero for tornadoes, but I don't think any tornadoes are going to happen overnight. But there is a wind chance for sure down in this area, Kansas, a little bit Oklahoma and Texas. Then this is more going to be of a hail producer, so this is going to be in southeast Nebraska, southwest Iowa, just like the marginal risk was Kansas, western Missouri. And then for tomorrow, they have the slight risk that came out for most of Iowa, eastern, a little bit of central Nebraska, northern Missouri, and a little bit of southern Minnesota. And basically, storms are going to start in the middle, like 4 in the afternoon, just push southeast. I think a lot of it's going to end up in eastern Nebraska into western Iowa. It's where a lot of it's going to end up starting, like producing some decent sized hail. Like they're talking at least 2 to 3 inches in diameter of hail, probably at least 60 to 65 mile per hour wind gusts. Can't rule out an isolated tornado. I mean, there is a 2% risk chance right here in eastern Nebraska, Iowa, a little bit of Minnesota, northwestern Missouri, and then the wind chance is at 5%. It's there, and then there is a enhanced or not enhanced, but a 15% risk of hail, with the hashed area being the more significant area where you could see some large hail. I would definitely put your car in the garage if you can, cover it somehow. Um, just be prepared for anything that's going to happen. Definitely, if you have your cell phone charged, laptops, weather radios are always good to have just in case. This is for Friday, and this is for northern Texas, central, eastern Oklahoma, and the southern Missouri, middle of Illinois, Indiana, a little bit of Ohio, Michigan, a little bit of Wisconsin. Basically, the front's just pushing that same direction. It's probably going to get increasing. There's probably more of a chance of wind and hail with this. There is a chance of tornadoes, obviously, on this. Couldn't rule out anywhere in this area the slight risk right here. And then further down the line, they got for day 4 and 5 and 6, they have it in the southern part of the United States, which includes Texas, Arkansas, Kentucky, Tennessee, over here in the Virginias. Um, Even up to Pennsylvania. So I would just keep an eye on that as well. That's obviously a few days down the road, but you always want to be prepared just in case because it is severe weather season and it ramps up in the central part of the U.S. So with that, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you have any concerns or anything like that, let me know. And then I would like to try and do a live stream one of these days tomorrow, if possible. And then I can show you what's all going on here. Like I said, any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day and see you next time.